Okay, we're at LSSU University. I'm up on top of the tower changing out an antenna. This is Saturday. Here's a little view from the top of this tower. I can't turn around anymore. Get a view of the water and all that stuff. This is in Sault Ste. Marie. You can see it on that water tower there. Some of the buildings over here. And we're half done. We just sent the antenna down, and they're be ready here shortly to put the new one back up. Okay, here we are. Here's my grandson Gavin. We're inside the repeater room up on top of the building at LSSU, Sault Ste. Marie. You can see the repeater, the cavities. We got one of the club members here. It's cold outside, so we're in here. Yeah, very nice. Okay, here we just finished putting this new antenna up. LSSU University, Sault Ste. Marie. Trying to get around far enough. You can see the bridge and the campus here. Oh man, I try to get around this way. There we go, now you can see it. Now you can see the bridge. There's Canada across there. In the distance you can see the tower there. Okay, it's cold and windy, coming down.